Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lindsey Latham. I am a professional psychic, intuitive, medium, animal communicator. The list goes on and on. The labels are ridiculous. I am in divine connection with spirit. I exist in love, unity, consciousness, and I am here to help the collective awaken. So you are going to find a plethora of content on my channel, all in alignment with everything that I just said. You will find practical exercises for psychic development. You will find Reiki healing transmissions. You will find channeled guidance. You will find me ranting about the matrix programming and the processes that need to come crashing and that are coming crashing to the ground, and guidance to help you get through those. Mostly, I am an advocate for helping you get in touch with your inner power and your intuition that is your core operating system that the matrix brainwashing programming protocol has attempted to erase out of all of us. But you can't erase that. You can just confuse and brainwash the mind. So I am a guide to help you through all of that madness and help you get back to you. So enjoy. Share my content. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have questions, and keep an eye on the links that I post, because occasionally I do host live classes, and I do certify others in Usui Reiki, and a lot of exciting things are always happening with me. So, welcome. I'm Lindsey. Bye.